All right, part B. So we'll let k equal 4 for this, and then let f of x be this. We want to determine whether f has a relative minimum, relative maximum, or neither at x equals 2 and justify the answer. So probably the easiest way to do this is to consider the first derivative test. I don't really want to do a second derivative. I could for this, do quotient rule. It's going to get a little ugly though. So let me write out what f prime of x is, where k equals 4, so that's going to be 4 minus 2x all divided by x squared minus 4x all squared. And so the first thing I need to see is, do we have a critical point? Is f prime either undefined or 0 at x equals 2? If it's not, we have neither. But if it is, we could have an extreme value. So f prime of 2 is going to be 4 minus 2 times 2 all over, and here we have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 all squared, and 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 squared is 4, minus 8 is negative 4, squared is 16. So that means that we have a critical point. That's important. So the slope being 0 means that it's possible. If it's 0 or if it's undefined or if it's an endpoint, we could get a maximum or a minimum. So we could. Next thing I need to consider is what happens on either side around there. So in here, if we consider this example, we have 2, and we'll consider something close to 2 on the left, something close to 2 on the right, and see what happens for f prime. Now, this alone is not good enough. We'll have to explain why, but here's the idea. So f prime, let's consider 1. F prime of 1 is going to equal 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 4 is negative 3 squared is 9. 2 over 9. Which, the important part of this is it is positive. We'll consider something to the right of 2, for instance 3. And in this one, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 9 minus 12 is 3, squared is 9, so I get negative 2 over 9, which is, of course, negative. And so what I can say is that we will have a maximum at x equals 2 because two things. F prime of 2 is 0, and f prime changes from positive to negative at x equals 2. Again, it's going to change from increasing to decreasing, so we're going to get something like this, increasing, decreasing, and have a maximum point at the top.